3.7, 332 miles an hour, and Jason Logan will not be on Dancing with the Stars. Austin Prock goes back to the top. He puts Cornwell and Chevrolet number 1. Greg Anderson with better numbers low. Erica with better numbers down there, 6.548, 209, and Erica goes back to the top. Matt Smith, 102, 6.708, 201 miles an hour. Matt Smith was just 102 at the 60-foot clock. How about 373? Hey, Chicago, TJ's back on top. 3.736, 331 miles an hour. Zizzo, number 1. Justin Ashley goes 413, 213 miles an hour, shutting off early. And TJ at his home race, his season debut, hey, he's got 6 points. He can climb his way into the countdown to the championship if he keeps this up.